Welcome to the official channel of Next Rank with AK. Today's topic is Puri Rath Yatra, the journey of God's history, culture, and spirit of India in our series of the burning issues. As you all know, that on the eastern coast of India, where the Bay of Bengal kisses the sand of Odisha, lies the holy city of Puri, a place where time pauses every year for one of the world's biggest religious procession, the Puri Rath Yatra. But this grand event that pulls millions into its spiritual orbit. Let's embark on this divine journey. The roots of Rath Yatra stretch back over 1,000 years, deep into the sands of time. Lord Jagannath, a unique, tribal originated form of Krishna, resides in the majestic Jagannath temple of the Puri. The temple itself was built in the 12th century by King Anantavarman Todaganga Deva, but the deity's worship is even older, with links to the indigenous and the Vaishnavite tradition. What makes Rath Yatra extraordinary isn't just its scale, but its soul. It is perhaps the only time when the Lord Jagannath, the Lord of the universe, comes out of his temple, allowing people of all castes, creed, and nations to touch his chariot. It breaks caste barriers and unites millions under one spiritual sky. Even non-Hindus can pull the chariot, a rare phenomena in the traditional temple rituals. Every year, in the month of Asad, that is June-July, the deities Lord Jagannath, his brother Balbhadra, and sister Subhadra are placed on massive wooden chariots and pulled to the Gundicha temple, 3 kilometers away. This is their aunt's house, a symbolic journey of love, rest, and return. The spectacle is vibrant, chaotic, and deeply moving like India itself. Puri Rath Yatra is not just a spiritual affair, it's an economic engine. It supports thousands, from artisans who build the chariots to local hotels, street vendors, rickshaw pullers, and cultural troops. In a single week, the city earns crores through tourism. It is a festival that feeds an entire ecosystem. Puri sits on Odisha's coastal belt, geographically vital for trade, spirituality, and agriculture. It forms one of the Char Dhams, alongside with Badrinath, Dwarka, and Rameshwaram. Its Rath Yatra is the biggest chariot procession in the world, influencing similar festivals in places like Gujarat, West Bengal, and even New York and London. Thanks to ISKCON and the global Hindu diaspora, Rath Yatra now travels the globe. From Moscow to Melbourne, you will find Jagannath chariots rolling on foreign streets, a symbol of India's soft power and spiritual legacy. The Rath Yatra of Puri is more than a festival, it's a moving temple, a celebration of the inclusiveness, and a reminder that divinity doesn't sit in ivory towers. It walks with the people. In a country of 1.4 billion, it stands tall as a symbol of what truly unites us: faith, tradition, and togetherness. So, if you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more depth analysis on burning issue.